Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to translate any message on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and check if WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, because this feature is only available in newer versions of the app. Once WhatsApp is updated, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, open the chat that contains the message you want to translate. Tap and hold the message until it is selected. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on the Translate option. If you're using this feature for the first time, you'll be asked to choose the language that the original message is written in. Select the correct language from the list. If the language pack isn't already installed, tap the Download button next to that language. Wait for the language pack to finish downloading. Once it's downloaded, tap Continue. Then tap the Translate button. WhatsApp will instantly translate the selected message into your preferred language, and you can read the translated text directly in the chat. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.